Chicken.
can all unanimously agree on who should win this $250,000. All of you can agree on the same person. They instantly win
Sheep.
$250,000. If only one of you vote for someone different, we're gonna do a challenge and eliminate the question. What do you think?
Elephant.
Alright, well, already ruined. You all cannot unanimously agree on who should win the
Monkey.
Each row now has to decide on a captain, and that captain will then represent all the contestants in their row for the next challenge.
Horse.
All makes sense. It's gonna be
Here we go!
For the next 15 minutes, each row try to decide who their captain is going to be.
As long as you choose to not sacrifice us, I will not be off.
Please, you want to represent your row. We got it! Hey, do one of y'all volunteer?
64. That was 64.
Who in your row do you want to be captain?
I can't get a fight with this thing.
Your captains have been chosen. So things get interesting and a little cutthroat. We're not off for money, and if any of you captains take the money we offer, you and your entire row are completely eliminated. First offer is $1,000. Offer number 2. $1,000.
Don't do it.
If one of you eliminate your entire row, we'll give you
Don't do it,
$5,000.
Bobby.
Our next offer is $10,000.
Don't do it.
10 grand isn't worth hurting these people. I like the lot more than 10 grand.
20 grand. We're going until one of you step out. We're now at $50,000. At this point, all the captains have been shown. But it was clear once we had $50,000 on the line, some of the captains were having a harder time than others. All right, everybody, let's really have some fun. The next offer is, I can just say it, it's a 90. We're not done. Put it out there. The new offer is $100,000 for the first captain to step out of their cube. 14, 30, 42, 64, or Mr. 100. I just need one of you 5 to step out so I can make you win.
Don't move.